Hello and welcome to another episode of Frugal Finance. Today we just want to have a quick look at CCIV or Churchill Capital 4 or Lucid Motors, depending on what way you look at it. It has been on an absolute rally this week. I think in the main that is probably due to the fact that any minute now it's supposed to be going over to ticker symbol Lucid or LCID or something similar to that. So people are obviously looking to jump on board. It actually hit its all-time low back here at the beginning of the month, or the beginning of May, about a month ago, around about $17, and they're currently trading at $26.50. So you can see in the last week it's gone up by 34.25%, which obviously is a pretty big increase. I was quite lucky in that I bought a fair chunk of shares when the price was down low. So you can see my average buy price is $20.25, and return here 29.42%, which is a pretty healthy return nonetheless. So I think really as we build up into the kind of potential with the CCIV changing to Lucid Motors, we will look at that, this trend of upwardsness, if that's even a word. I suspect also things like Tesla obviously have come under a bit of fire about the whole Bitcoin thing, where obviously Elon Musk is being accused a little bit of sort of pump and dump style tactics. There's threatening of removing their carbon credits and things like that. Also, Anonymous, who are a kind of semi-famous sort of hacking group, have put a message out to Elon saying that they're a bit disappointed with all of this and how he's meddling with people's lives and so on. So I think in reality, Tesla's probably taking a bit of a hit. People are now looking at the next big EV stock things, so companies like NIO, maybe some of your traditional brands, Ford, Mercedes, all those kind of people. And then obviously Churchill Capital, which is just about to become Lucid. They are also due to launch a car shortly. So they're not expecting mass numbers on the market, but any minute now some of their cars will start to hit the road, and I think that will really make them serious in the kind of domestic EV space. So anyway, so that's my quick review of Churchill Capital. So as you can see, this week here up 34%. Last week it was up, or over the month, is up 37%. So pretty good returns. Probably a reasonably good time to get in. I can't see it shooting up an awful lot more than what it is right now, until perhaps when the ticker symbol changes from CCIV to Lucid later in the month, or perhaps next month, or whenever it is. I haven't actually given a firm date for that, but I personally can't see it getting back up to its highs of whatever it was, about $60 back here somewhere in February, just before the merger was announced. And then obviously you can see this big crash, so a lot of people would have got in at the wrong time. I think it will probably get to about $30, probably plateau there until they start releasing cars. We get numbers up and people start to see them out and about on the roads. And possibly more news emerges from Tesla. So anyway, that's my thought on CCIV. I just thought I'd share that with you. If you did like the video, please do subscribe. If you could also smash the like button down below, that will always help. With the YouTube algorithm, it allows other people to see this video that might be searching for CCIV or Lucid Motors and information on them. And as I always say, these are for entertainment purposes only, so don't necessarily take what I'm saying. This stock easily you could go to 0 pence or even down to $10. Just because I've made a 29% return at the moment doesn't mean that will always be that way. So you should always do your own research before investing in markets. You shouldn't just take my portfolio as gospel. Someone said to me, it's like looking through a doorway or a gateway. This video's essentially, so you're looking into the insights of somebody else, not necessarily that you want to copy them, but it might give you an idea of the sort of things that you could invest in or look out for, how to research these things. Anyway, as I say, please subscribe, don't forget to smash the like button, and I'll see you next time.